Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? So do this before July, my brother. In the start of July, absolutely, my friends, holder are starting doing very huge mistake. So I want to notify you, and you will be best safe from my friend in the future from this huge mistake. So kindly, holder, don't skip any second of this video. Before I get started this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type informative videos. My brother, this time absolutely the change occur be positive now because in the start of month especially coins fails down, but the end of month coin will moving upward very fastly now. So therefore absolutely the change occur will be positive now. And but my friends, in the start of month especially first week, all coins is very badly fails down. So therefore the holder, especially a new holder, they're doing very huge mistake. They're starting selling now. So definitely my friend, if you starting selling, so the coin is very badly fails down and you cannot get a good profit now. So I just notify you to don't do this mistake, especially if you are a long time investor. Otherwise, if you are a short time investor, then every short time investor sell it at the end of month. So therefore I cannot, my friends, tell you to you don't sell it. Absolutely, if you are a short time investor, then go sell it. I hope they will give you a very good profit. But if you are a long time investor, then don't see, my friend, the short fail, especially the start of month they fails down. So therefore holder doing very huge mistake. I already a lot of my friend holders message me on Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. So therefore I will notify you to try to be safe from the loss and don't sell it at the start of month. So my brother, especially in July, what's going on, and can they will give you a very good profit in July? Definitely, my friend, every holder will ask this question: can this is possible to Polygon will give us a good profit in July? So yes, my friend, this is absolutely 100% possible, my friend. To in July Polygon will give you a good profit. So definitely, my friend, this is possible now. And my friend, you know why I tell you to this is possible? Because my brother, after it fails they will take a jump. So therefore I know to in this month they will very badly face down. So it's possible to they will take a jump after this fail. So let's see, my brother. There is, my friend, 70% chance so they will move upward now, but absolutely the 30% there is no chance because, my brother, when cryptocurrency is very badly phased out. So therefore, my friend, nothing to say, my friend. I want to tell you to they will moving upward now. So try to understand. Hope you understand, my brother. So kindly hold it for more this type urgent update. I will notify you when they're starting moving upward, but you just only need to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. So hope you subscribe it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.